Let's see. Okay, now it seems to have gone. Let's see. No? But at least it says that I'm live. Good. Maybe I'm live now. Alright. So why does it say I'm connected to my phone? Yeah, hey, I don't know. Alright. Anyways, I think that's it. Now I can just do fuck. I can do fuck now. Let's see, open that, move it to here, run it, and yeah.
Oh my god, it works! It works!
Yo, what? What did you
It
do?
works!
You got it working on
Turns out it is the same bug I had on Linux. It is really stupid. Because for some reason they do not define GLFW 132. Like the define that GLFW expects there to be for 132 contexts. Like they define it in the whenever they build GLFW, but not whenever they import the headers inside the bindings. So it just desyncs, breaks, and just dies horribly. So that's great.
That sounds awesome.
That's incredible. Yeah. It's very fun.
Mm.
Welcome to FL Studio.
Welcome. Well, thank you. I have been expecting
You're
this.
welcome.
Thank you. Okay. Was it the melody I was trying to work on, I think?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. The melody.
I shouldn't do this because then I'm just forgetting that where it is. Fuck. Oh look, I had a great start.
Yeah, just try and not move it. I think there's a better way of doing this.
Is there? Oh, well, putting on the audio would be great.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Streaming in Discord of audio also would be great. Because I can't hear.
Wait, are you sure? Wait, let me try moving
Can't
that.
hear anything.
I know we don't
don't
need
hear this?
audio when he's making music.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Well, too bad.
Oopsies.
Fuck. Wait, let me try restart.
Imagine watching an FL Studio stream and it's just like silent cinema.
Silent sim. Okay, wait, but do you guys hear anything? Like if I go to, let's go here. We're gonna take C++ rant there. This is my audio test.
Casting in C++
hear that?
is another thing which is obnoxiously verbose.
No.
Nope.
Okay, so.
Oh, that's why, because you updated your arch, probably.
Oh no!
Oopsie. Okay, I'm just gonna
But
watch
then
it
you
on
have
Twitch, I
that-
guess. Oh wait, no, because I'm gonna hear. I'm gonna hear two Lucas.
But now it should be an easy fix, right? No.
I don't know if it's necessarily.
Right.
Wait, let me just. I'm just gonna restart
it's
Discord.
Discord again.
Yeah, I will restart Discord. Okay, hello.
Please sound.
So, do you guys hear now?
Comparison to other languages.
Yo.
In Java, you just
Yes.
put things in parentheses. It's simple, concise, and clean. In C++, you have to use static cast.
You guys hear that or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh look, somebody has uploaded a kind of like literally the same format, but is C++ really that bad? And it's gonna be like, yes.
It's also 35 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, that's your stream.
Where? Ah, It's so
What's up,
perfect.
guys?
Right.
CJ here. Guys, in today's video, I want to
Yeah.
focus on the worst programming language of all time.
Ah.
This is a recent video that's dropped, has received a lot of controversy and a lot of views in a very short amount of time from a relatively unknown channel. Now, this is not going to be a takedown video. Instead, I want to focus on the highlights of this video, the lowlights, and the points that I think need more explanation. Now, this is all coming from the perspective of a C++ software engineer, somebody that's worked with C++ professionally for around 5 years now, with a background in the space of quantitative trading. So let's take a look.
Aesthetically, the worst thing about
I don't know, it's like a React video, I guess. Wah. I got this dual Xeon, okay, nice. And I really, oh, sorry, forgot. Hello. I'm gonna send this to Harold, and he's gonna tell me he has already watched it, and I'm gonna say, how was it?
Both predicting the chat.
Okay, but we can now focus on the... Wanna focus on this part, I would say. Bro,
Maybe.
here.
Sounds like a good part to focus on, I guess.
Yeah. Because isn't it... Yeah, because it's like it's
Lucas,
it's one beat that repeats, isn't it?
Lucas, remember how
Well,
I
nah.
said that you should send me the audio when you're done?
Oh, but I sent it in progress. All right, that counts. Okay. That counts, right?
That
Okay.
counts. Yeah.
Good enough, man.
But it's not done, so it's also like it's still in work in
Yeah.
progress.
Yeah, no.
Let's see.
All good.
I do some Zig build system Kirch stuff. Probably.
Yeah, I would say it's like. Let's see. Can I take? I can't. Okay, I will just do this. Yeah. So it's 2 beats and then it's repeating pattern. And it just gets louder. I think this one is the loudest I can get, which sounds similar. I think here is like something extra that comes on and it's making me confused. So I'm gonna focus on this one. Okay, and if I just focus that. Can I? Fuck, that's not what I meant to do. Alright. Okay. How many? And then if I do... Okay. Is it like... There's 4 notes, isn't?
Yeah, it is like 4.
Yeah.
It's just an arpeggio. Shouldn't be that bad.
I'm back.
Welcome
Hey,
back.
back.
We went live, and T-Chef has
Are we
had to take
live?
your job of
Yeah.
moving us, and he failed horrendously. People's computers died.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, I guess I'm the one that's fit for this
Yeah.
line of work, you know.
Like, see, Harold, this is why I pay you minus 2 euros an hour. It's not, you're irreplaceable, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
You know, the reason why I pay you minus $2 is because you're irresponsible. Yeah. That's right.
Irreplaceable. I actually, it was so
Just
funny
mad.
during school. I had a friend asked, "So, were you the person that got full
Friend.
score in the exam?" And they answered that no, they almost got. And then you know what they asked me back? They asked if I passed. I was like, damn. The contrast.
Mm.
It was great.
Bruh.
I don't know even how to. Is it like it goes? Let's see. It's dun 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 dun. No wait, it's like. Is it like there and then like lower and then back a little bit higher and lower again for the like just this section?
Can you play the one you have right now?
Wait, fuck. What is the? How did you redo stuff?
Control Alt Z.
Alt set. No.
Control Alt Z.
Control.
All
Yeah.
three.
Doesn't.
Control Alt and Z.
Yeah. No, not work either.
I guess you touched it weird.
Wait. Let me try. If I do.
You can try undoing.
Yeah. If I do this and then I do that, and then I do that. No. 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 Okay. Jesus Christ. FL Studio redo. Keep binding.
Life undo. Where is it at?
Where's my life? Where's my life?
Undo.
Control Shift set in Windows, but I'm on Linux.
But I'm on Arch Linux. I mean Arch
Arch
Windows.
Windows.
Arc Windows.
Oh, guys, the
Didn't
cone
they
is not
say
coning.
Control Shift set? Yeah, no, it doesn't do anything.
The cone ain't coning? What's that supposed to mean?
Oh no, oh no, oh
Oh,
no.
it should just go in a cone shape, and it
What kind of?
doesn't want to be a cone.
That's so coney.
Can I not just simple redo button, bro? Why are they so like they hide their fucking key bindings in FL Studio, I swear. I tried to find like just a key binding like thing. Control Alt set, but that didn't work either. Oh, now it does. Of course it does now. Bruh. I swear I was pressing that key 100 times for just bruh. I don't know. Anyways. Yeah, but I wanted to see was this. Is it like that level, then down, then up, up? Like lower, higher, higher.
Nah, I think it was like higher, higher, lower, lower, higher.
Like really low pass. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the exact same melody as everything else.
I don't even know if I had the right tone.
Lucas, good news.
What are the good news?
You remember the degrees to radians?
Yeah?
And we thought we don't need that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was just luck that it was going the right direction. You need this.
Okay. Yeah, if you don't have a
Yeah.
high spread, then the degrees and radians doesn't really matter. Like if you have 0.001 or something like that, you know?
Yeah.
So meowy.
Mm-hmm. It's a bit too meowy, yeah.
Yeah, I forgot I was installing KDE. For Plasma. What's the difference?
Well, KD is it's it's like an organization, and KD Plasma is just their desktop.
But what about like old KDE? Is that just called KDE or is that also called Plasma?
Depends. Is it like organization or what's that?
It's like the old KDE. Like I don't know, KDE 1.0, wasn't that just yeah,
Oh
it's
yeah,
the
KD
K
Plasma.
desktop environment,
Yeah.
so that's KDE. It's not even KWin, it's like proper KDE. And when did it like become Plasma?
Well, you know how you make like on GitHub like an organization? That's kind of like what
Yeah.
KDE is, but like
Wait, so
the
KDE developed KDE. Great.
no, it was
But it
originally
also
called
developed Plasma.
KDE. Well, KDE Plasma was originally called KDE, I think, and people just refer as KDE Plasma as KDE, but you know.
KDE 3 is still called KDE, but apparently
Rico.
KDE 4 is called the KDE Software Compilation 4.
Yeah, I don't know, it's Linux, man.
Also known as KDE Plasma, so I think that's the first version of Plasma. 4. Which, damn, this thing has come a long way. So meow.
How do you get rid of the
I don't
meow
know if the
but still
unison is
keeping
right.
the like the what am I saying?
You become good.
Well, besides
The
that,
filter? You could just remove the you could just make that flat.
this thing like this?
Yeah.
Huh. I guess that works.
Well, if it's flat, it just doesn't do anything. You could just remove the automation, not the automation, the like modulation from the filter.
Yeah. But wait, so you mean is this the same as having this? Nah. Yeah, but the filter is just not moving. Yeah. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. How about you? But I still need that kind of like what's it called? Like how do I get that sound? That I don't even know how to recreate it.
Yeah, I think you don't.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
What the? Okay, I don't know what happened to my key bindings, but Do I even have the right, like, should I even be using Vital for this, or should I be trying to use something different?
You could try something different, but I'm pretty sure like all of them will be pretty similar, at least for this type of sound.
Yeah, but I don't know how can I make like that. What is that sound even called? Does it have a name?
Precisely.
Peter. I'm gonna call it Peter from now on.
Peter.
I bet Lucas is like thinking about Peter Griffin every time he says Peter.
No, that's Peter.
Pizza. Mm,
Pita bread.
pita. Put your D on. Hmm?
Pita bread. It's a sound to be sure. Yes, yes, yes. It is. It is.
Sound shaped sound.
It's it's a sound that sounds like a sound. I have no idea.
That sounds like something good.
You're damn right about it. Why is there a... Oh, what the fuck? I can move this? Crazy. What is this? How do I do that? What? I mean, it's kind of like...
I mean, it's kinda alright.
What happens if I increase voices? That's crazy, nothing.
Voices in your
Yeah.
head.
The voices in my head,
Increase the
they're
voice.
talking to me, I swear. Okay, what happens if I move this thing? Oh,
I knew it.
okay. I guess it's closer. Closer. I would say it's closer. I'm no expert, but I would say it's closer.
Yeah, I think it's closer.
See, even the expert agrees.
So I'm no expert. Shut up.
Hey, you're a certified expert by Lucas, and that says a lot.
Yeah, that says that you're better at than Lucas at something.
That's really easy to do. You just have to start and make one project, and you're better. Damn it! I saw this notification immediately.
True.
Thought, who is this? Then I looked at your channel and remembered. Oh yeah, I saw some random videos and I liked it. Yeah, yeah. The next video is on the way. It's like the script is 80.
It's like never done.
It's 70-80% done. I just spend an hour a day on the making the next video. I spend most of my
I would
time
probably say it's like
for
60 to
university.
70% done.
What? The
It's
script.
more like 60 to 70% done.
The script. I would say it's 70% done. Okay, it's 70%, and then I still have to. Well, edit. But Christmas break is coming soon, and it will be released along that time. So please help me. What are we watching? What is this? This is music. If we can call it that.
Barely.
But it's I'm running I'm running it in my native Windows, as you can see. This is normal Windows. There's nothing sketchy about my Arch Windows. No,
Absolutely incredible.
I'm running FL Studio, which only works on Windows for some funny reason. So yeah. So I had to get a virtual machine to run Windows so I can run FL Studio. I was trying to run through Wine, but I couldn't get the plugins working then, so I was like, well, I guess I'll have to make a virtual machine then. Yeah, so I did that. And yeah, I'm making it for, you can see there says like game progress, that thing up there. Actually trying to make a game again using actually kind of like a game engine for with Vulkan, and then trying to make a game, and I was like, it would be cool to also add some music, so now I'm trying to learn music too. You know, the traditional like beauty music is in the eyes of the beholder Yeah. Like, yes. Music is maybe in the ears of the beholder. I agree, 100%. See, Harold, my music is not bad. It's just your ears that are raw.
Sorry, it's not even your music. You
Well-
brought copy paste that and now it's
No. I'm trying to replicate, okay? Trying to replicate. Like, listen to this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's even.
Replicate, it says.
I, I don't know. I'm not doing it right. Maybe they are supposed to be a little bit extended. Are they supposed to be? I think they're supposed to go. Are they going into each other? I think they're going into each other. Maybe it's just a longer release. Oh, well, that was actually better. But I think it's just supposed to be a release and not that. Or I guess both works. Maybe. Release. Oh wow. Let's try again. Maybe that was a bit too long of a release. What happens if I take the sus down?
Take the sus down.
Yeah, I think the release is too long. Can I can do that. But I can take the sustain back up, I think. If I can. Okay, that's better, but it's still not that right. If you play this. Am I too fast? Is it supposed to be in? Maybe it's just 3. The fuck is this? Maybe I'm doing it all wrong. Yeah, I'm doing it. What the fuck am I doing actually? Jesus Christ. Nah. I'm doing a little bit of trolling. Wait a minute. I should actually be having it over here. No. Wait. Is it like...
Do they not have console? Oh no, I do have Kitty at least.
Okay. I think I know it. I don't, but
You
I
think
like
you
to
know it?
pretend to be smart, so... This is just... Or is there like another melody on top of this thing? There's like... And then there's another... a longer tone, right? I think there is. That was close.
Oops. You don't like me. Why do you not like me?
It's at least closer, but it's not right, but... I see from my watch history that it was your Minecraft content that got me to sub you. I have my interest, so this is 2 tracks. So these tracks are... What is R? What does that mean, these tracks are?
These tracks are tracking.
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 Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking, but then I stopped.
I thought you never started.
On what I'm working today, well, a lot of things actually I'm working on, but right now this specifically is just trying to get music for the next game thingy up there, which is not really a game yet. I don't know what it is, but it's fun, and yeah, I'm not gonna be live for long. I'm just an hour minimum each day. Sometimes I stay for 3 or so, but just a little bit every day to move the ball. As soon as Christmas breaks comes, sorry, pressed send too soon. happens. I do it too, you know. I always send death threats to Harold and forget to give the condition that if he doesn't do X, this will happen. But I just send a death threat and be like, ah shit, I forgot that if he does do the other thing, then it won't happen, you know.
Oh, so wait, what am I supposed to do then?
I forgot to send you, and now I forgot what it was, but you know.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, well, you
happens.
can probably reach out later.
Yeah, you can reach out later. Yes, we're all human. Yeah, but Christmas, during Christmas time period, New Year, that stuff. That's when I will be able to do that. Then there will be a lot of shit going on, and a lot of will happen, and there will be a new video. I was thinking about getting back to the Minecraft, but I probably won't because
Because Minecraft.
because C++. uh, oh fuck. Yeah. But I might try again doing something with voxels. Why not? Voxels are pretty damn cool. I think voxels are cool.
Voxels
But
are
we'll,
pretty
we'll
cool.
see. We'll see how things go along. If I see something I want to create using that, I might. But it's also kind of like if you wanted to create something in voxels, I also feel like you could just continue off Minecraft. Like I don't really have anything that it would require. I don't know. It has to be something fun, which I would like to create. But I don't. It was fun to create actually the basic little thing I did, but I don't know. I think I want to create other things.
I don't think you do.
Okay, well fuck you, Harold. You don't know me like I do.
I do know you like you do.
Okay, I need to.
You don't know yourself like I do.
Yeah, you don't know me like I know who. I mean, isn't this?
So?
How do I get that? There's supposed to be. Is that the same sound? That boom, like kind of like.
I think it is the same sound. It's just low passed.
So I have to figure out how to do that with this, and also a lot of other things. But low pass. Wait, that was. Was that
That's just a
in?
filter.
Was it also in filter?
Yeah, but you can do like a second one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wait, you can reset that. It's hard. No, I broke it.
I know.
I broke my repo. No.
Don't break your repo. Harold, do something.
Me? I get paid enough for this.
But I,
Do I get paid enough?
I will pay you in Lucas coin.
Incredible.
Oh yeah, the total
I'm
not
gonna be
scam
a
crypto.
I'm gonna be a Lucas coinillionaire. That's not a word.
Lucas Canon.
Coinillionaire. Yeah, sounds like you coined a new term there.
Yeah, just you
Yes.
wait one day, guys. But wait, so if I want to do a low pass with this, is it like this?
You wanna click on fill one on that one.
Fill one?
Fill one on in this section. There's like 5 buttons in the bottom left of that filter thing.
But on left,
Yeah, enable fill one, disable OSC2. You don't need OSC2. And now it will do stuff, but I don't think that's the right filter shape. I think that's a high pass.
so
That's a low pass. There you go.
okay.
Unless you meant something else, but I don't know.
Doubt Lucas meant anything.
Yeah, it works on Windows. Great. Time for a victory screenshot. How do I do a screenshot on Windows?
Victory screenshots, yeah.
There. Good enough. Now I just nab it from tracks. No, I do not want to take another screenshot. I just want the UI. Screenshot folder. Wow, 2024. Those are ancient.
I feel like it's too fast. Like it should be a lot slower. It's maybe because it's supposed to span out. That's better, I think. Still the wrong
LLVM debug symbols. All 400 megs of LLVM debug symbols. You will not regret 400 megabytes of debug symbols. How do you do images in Markdown anyway?
Maybe it will help. Bye. Or is it actually going up? Wait, hold on. No. Is it lower or higher? It's actually, I think it's higher. Maybe I've did it completely wrong. It's supposed to be. And then it's like one super high. But that's too high. And then it's too long.
Guys, what would you say? Should I pass a struct that contains 4 floats? Should I pass it by value or as a pointer?
Contains 4
By
floats.
value.
4 floats. That's bigger than a pointer.
Yeah.
Pass a pointer.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's not how it works. You see, if
Couldn't
you're
you
gonna
use
pass a point, you have to
SIMD
do a
to
bunch of
pass
management.
all of them?
Okay, we gotta calm down, okay?
I mean, couldn't you use SIMD? I'm just saying.
Yeah, wait, let me transfer the 4 floats to the GPU
No,
and
no, no.
then do this and this.
SIMD is still, you can, like, there is units on the CPU still that can handle that. Registers that are like 32 bits wide.
Yeah.
So you could store them there and then transfer them.
No, I don't care, bro. My
Depending
thing
on
is
the
so
CPU
not,
you have, there is also some that has even larger. I think what is the I think the largest one is 512 bits register.
yeah.
If I'm not mistaken.
Does it like actually pack them into the registers though? I think it just uses a register per float. That's like, I don't know.
What do you mean?
Like if you pass a struct that has 4 floats, it just like it acts the same way as if you were to just pass 4 floats and you pass each float in a separate SIMD register. So you use like 4 of them, which you do have 4 of them. Just
Yeah.
like why?
But they
Well,
no,
depends what you wanna-
they are packed. They are like aligned in the same like.
I don't think it packs them in the same register. At least C doesn't. As far as I know.
Shouldn't they? Because it's kind. Wait, what? Oh, no, the GPU can have up to larger, but CPU is still 512. Okay, but like wait,
Depends what you want to do with that struct. If you want to like operate on the values, like mess with them,
because
pass it by value. But if you want to like upload it to the GPU or something like that, then pass it by pointer because you're gonna work with the pointer anyway.
yeah, like but SIMD should put it in a like packed kind of like as they
Yeah,
were
but packing is expensive. I don't think it packs.
Yeah, because
check.
if you
Well,
use
that's
the
an
C
ABI thing.
library, you have to convert it to a vector kind of thing before you can start doing the multiple operations, because the operations also take a like special struct in. Or
Which operations?
See. Can I just find like something?
Like I'm like half sure if you pass a struct with 4 floats by value, it just passes them as 4 registers.
Because you cannot just pass in an address, you actually have to convert them to something like
What?
a special kind of thing. Wait, I will find it.
God bold time. We will prove this once and for all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check on GCC because it's a compiler shaped compiler. Struct magic. Code A.
Okay, then I will
B.
make this part completely performant and my other thing, I just load redundant textures. That doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Let's just make a thingy like that. Yeah, so see, I passed it by value, but looking at what the hell happened here is...
SIMD, right?
yeah, it is using
yeah.
SIMD register, but that's because it's doing like any floating point math. But basically, wait, so it move queues
There's like the
tracks to here.
128 data type, which you're supposed. Yeah, here. Yeah, because this you have to create these kind of.
Yeah, that's if you like do explicit vectorization of your code.
But how can you else do SIMD if you don't do that?
The compiler can just use the SIMD registers.
But yeah, if but then it would.
See, like
Yeah,
I
okay.
didn't write any SIMD here. It is using XMM0 and XMM1.
Wait, I'm gonna put you on the big screen, all right? So
Yeah.
the watchers can see too.
Magic.
By value or by reference?
XMM0, XMM1. I'm passing this by value, and it's using the XMM registers. I think one of the parameters is actually getting passed by XMM0. Maybe even all of them. I'm not sure. I'd have to check what move DQA is. Move aligned packed integer values.
But wait. Now do it with
The software developer
Passive
is
by pointer.
screaming right
doing
now.
it with instruct. Now all good.
Let me try and pass it by pointer. By
Okay.
pointer. Magic pointer and let's just change all the dots to arrows. Like this, like this, like this, and like this. Let's see. Does it change anything? Yeah, because then it actually addresses them with like it does separate move assess instructions, and here it so it does actually pack them inside the SIMD registers. I don't know which one is faster. This one might be a bit faster. What if I do like 03?
Damn.
Yeah. Actually, no. It depends. This one's less instructions, but it's memory accesses. So if it's in cache, it should be fine. If it's outside of cache, you will be cooked.
Wait,
This one just does
202.
register operations.
202.
02. 02 instead of 03.
The internet provider.
Oh, two. Okay, sure. It should be the same.
Okay, yeah.
It is the same.
Yeah.
Let's see if Clang does anything different. That's
Not
usually
gonna
a
lie,
good check.
with the thing
Go.
I'm doing, I'm not sure what
the same.
would be better though. I'm not even modifying everything, I'm just doing logical like comparison and stuff.
Honestly, I don't think
So
it's.
what are you doing in your function? Just like, I don't know, throw in your function into Godball. It'll like probably genuinely just give you the thing, and you'll actually learn out of it.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't think you should be
Right,
too
then.
concerned. Just do the thing that you feel most.
It shouldn't be
convenient to
too
use.
bad. Pass by value should pack your values into and just
Wait,
into one
how's the
register
website
actually.
called?
Godball.org. Yes.
Yeah.
Honestly, incredible resource.
Yeah. Should really get used to using that a lot more. Jesus. I recently started to read on it a little bit, but suddenly then I went starting to do music at the same time, so I was like, ah, damn it.
As far as I know, it also does Zig.
Oh shit! And that's
Yeah, it does the Zig.
that's a lot of shit that happens for wait, what?
Well, yeah, but that's not just the function. Like, if you look, this is the actual like square function.
Mm.
And it has some like proper checking. It has checking for integer overflows. Like if you look in here, jump over. If the basically it compares the previous value that you like multiplied. Yeah, minus 288. I think that's the argument. It checks if your output like value out of this multiplication is larger than the original. Because if it's not, that means you have successfully integer overflowed, which is not what you want.
But what if you overflow twice?
Then wow,
They die.
congrats.
Congrats.
Like, can you actually do that? Can you actually do that?
Is it?
Does
Uh,
it
Okay, wait,
I think it
guys.
should have a check.
We will see in a second the difference for the function. I typed it in. Wait, now I will send it to you and you can put it in, okay?
But if you
Yeah.
if you do 03 on or like what is it called for SIG optimized? Is it just not
Yeah. I think you just do dash. What was it? Dash the optimize. I don't
yeah,
know.
because I wonder, is this just if you compile
I literally
debug
did that like a sec before.
or because that
Not in here. Where do I do it? Dang it. Zig. Or dash the optimize. Yeah, that's the optimize.
yeah,
Like really
because
fast.
if you I don't think that code should not be there, or is that
Yeah,
also there
if you do
even
release
if
fast, it might actually.
It's also
No.
are those checks there even if you don't run debug? Like,
Yeah,
what? Isn't that a bit
I
hell
think.
of
I don't know.
unnecessary
That looks like a
expensive to
bit
do?
much for release fast. I don't know.
Yeah.
I gotta check that. I don't trust that. Let's just make a little test sig, and let's just copy paste this exact same function. And let's do zig. Is there like a way to build a
Zig-
single file? I think there
Zig
is.
build?
Build
Just,
exe
build
But
exe.
yeah,
Single
build-
days, yeah.
or build lib rather, because that's what I want. Test sig.
Isn't it
Should
object?
make a
Or-
tests.
There,
or
we
lib
don't have
test-
objects
yeah,
in
lib test
SIG.
You do. This is an object. I
meant
just-
like
I made it
OOP.
from Zig. Yeah, no, that no. Yeah, so this has all the checks. Now what if I do zig build lib, but this time with dash the optimize release fast? It still does it.
What?
Damn.
That's
Zig just
something-
can't be sure whether an integer multiplication overflowed, which I guess that's fine. That's same.
Yeah, no, but it's also like kind of. Does it do that for every multiplication in your program now? That's kind of like.
Every multiplication that could overflow. If it's like if you're multiplying by 2, I think it doesn't do as much checking. Like if I make this like num equal num times 2, might be a bit shorter. No. Does it do it for every single one?
Yeah,
I
Yeah,
don't
right,
know.
now
But
you-
I think there's still
now
something
you
going
saw-
on because
Guys,
this
yes,
shouldn't
you can
happen.
put. You can just there's a set runtime safety. You can just put that to off.
Oh yeah, no fair. Where is it? As in inside Godbolt or just like a flag for this? A flag for the compiler?
Set time.
Maybe
No, it's
it's
a
LTO
inbuilt
time.
function. Or what are you thinking?
Oh yeah. Zig set runtime save
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
an inbuilt function.
built in.
Yeah.
Yeah, set runtime safety false. So if I do this, it will not semicolon. Yeah.
Huh.
There you
Okay.
go. That's shorter. Still kind of long for multiplying by 2, but
Yeah.
also that's 014. Let's try this on 015.
Okay.
It looks exactly the same. Damn, why is it so long?
Okay, wait. Now do you have?
But
I sent
the-
you my
isn't
code
it-
Yeah,
snippets.
I saw your thing. Let me.
Isn't it
me
just
just open-
loading
oh.
and putting the like half of the code is still just setting the base pointers and then giving it back?
Yeah. Like it's mostly like stack frame setup. I think
Yeah.
they're really trying to be safe there. Surprising that Zig is so blazingly fast, yet it's still like. Thank you, Discord. Very cool.
Yeah, very cool.
right?
Conflicting Oh god, it's C++.
Oh yeah.
Oh god.
Oh, I called them both by pointer. Wait, you gotta change the second one. I forgot to change the second name.
Yeah. Let me like
of the
actually.
function.
This music stream
so
turned out to be a
yeah.
very, very music stream.
Yeah,
Right,
no.
change
the
Let's
second
do
name.
02.
Wait, change the name of a function on line 19 to by
19?
reference. Yeah, I forgot to do that.
By ref. Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
you can
right,
just
so
overload it.
C++.
It's C++. Of course you can
Yeah,
overload it.
but it's C. Like do it in with C because it's C. Yeah, it
yeah.
just picked C++ because of.
Yeah, and then do it C++,
still
so
not?
it's even
Yeah,
worse.
because now
It's
you-
just
yeah.
it switched it back because it's like separate buffers.
Okay.
It should be the same. Yeah, so
Okay,
it's
yeah,
just loading.
same thing.
It's pretty much the same, except this one does some move SS operations, and this other one does like add SS and com ISS. It just does like packing, shifting stuff. These are this chef PS instruction, which is pretty like it's a mad thing. It just lets you shuffle the values from inside of a float,
What?
or rather a packed group of floats inside
Okay.
the registers.
Oh.
So if you bench it, my dibs are on the fact that this one will be faster, just a tiny bit. Because this one, it is actually no, it jumps
Oh.
around the memory. It's not like no +8. No, it goes +8, then it goes +4, then +12. It's just stuff.
What if you're doing
Passing by ref
AABB?
might actually be faster in here. Yeah. Well, depends if like let's say I have a long list of colliders and I'm doing AABB for all of them. Like I have, I don't know, in main, and I have let's say it's a collider rect pointer list to check or whatever. Whatever. It's just gonna I just will make the compiler happy so it doesn't care. Doesn't really need to be anything special. But let's say I like do for size the I is 0 and then I iterate like 1,000 of them.
I think you need a little bit bigger allocation of all that pass.
Yeah, no, I know. This is just like for example. So This is literally just an example. And let's say I have this like target collider rect. If I do the passing by ref with this one, then I have to like dereference, like take one of them anyway from the pointer, like from the array. Also, this needs CSTD, I think, or rather CSTD lib. I love. Oh, this is the wrong language. Student H. Std lib H. If I could type. Either way. Yes, happy? Happy. Oh, I don't like actually check. Check. Return, or rather if this, let's just like return I. Find the like index of the thing that collided with whatever. So if you look at this thing, even though I'm passing by reference, this one still does the memory reads. So it's doing the memory reads and then it's doing the shuffling. But if I check the one by pointer, and if I pass both a pointer to this one and a pointer to this one, this check function, if you look at it, it doesn't do memory reads anymore. Actually, yeah, no. What? Why is it reading something over and over? XMM0, XMM1. Oh yeah, because it inlined. Yeah, I think it inlined. Did it inline? Yeah, I think it inlined. Let me like, okay, this is check by pointer. And let me do another one that's check by reference. Check by reference. And this one will be checked by, or a will be check by reference, this. So yeah, so if you look at the check by pointer, I don't think it even calls anything.
Did you compile already? Wait.
No, it just calls malloc. Oh, this one also doesn't.
Okay.
Is this like exactly the same? God damn, the compiler is smart.
They are smart.
They look pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
That
in
looks...
the end, it's just LLVM, you know.
Yeah, no, in the end, LLVM, well, this is GCC, so it's the GCC optimizer doing the lifting, but...
It's always like kind of scary. Sometimes you just write code and then in the end it doesn't really matter what you write. This compiler will just rewrite your code anyway. Like, what the fuck is
There
this
is a
guy trying to
meme
do?
where there's a meme where a guy made like a malloc function and the compiler in C++ was it's like, oh yeah, that's cool, and then just shoved in the stdlib malloc. Yeah.
Actually,
That's cute.
on LLVM specifically... Oh, okay, no, this just optimized it out because it saw UB because target is not like a thing. Let me pass the target by... Actually, let's keep the thing and like the same. You will not be a reference then, and then you will be a thing, and then you will be... Yeah, this is fine.
Okay.
Why do you optimize it out? Oh, yeah, so like make it return -1 in this case. Does it see this malloc as something stupid and it just gives up? Oh my. This compiler is way too smart. Let's check.
Well, I swear compilers like big large language model. You just say, okay, write me a Vulkan triangle and it does that.
It knows how to optimize the Vulkan triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just like makes a buffer and just draws that onto the window, and it just like changes the window from being with Vulkan to just being.
Imagine if
pixels.
compilers
Like-
were LLMs.
Yeah.
I think
I would not like my compiler to hallucinate. That sounds pretty ass.
Yeah.
You write a main function and then like I don't know, VK CMD draw triangles, and from that it generates the whole Vulkan thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There we go. Now it finally emitted some code, and it looks exactly the same between the two. Move SS. No, it actually isn't. It does move SS's on this one, and then it does move SDs on this one.
Removes
On the
as
one by
S.
reference. Wait, so it does... Yeah, because this one does a single... this one does a single precision float. Just one. And this one does... This one does 2 single precision floats, I think. So that means that this one is moving more at the same time. and it's doing bit math, and it's doing some funky instructions. I don't know how fast Kumpel Tupus is. Unfortunately, I don't remember it off the top of my head.
Average
No,
sys
double precision
instruction.
floating point value. That's funky. That's
What
funky.
page are you using? You just Google the instruction name and then what is
Yeah, I
this?
googled the instruction and usually it's either like Felix Cloutier's thing or it's C9x.me. That's also one that has a lot of the instructions
Okay.
documented. But if it's specifically XMM instructions, there's the Intel Intrinsics guide. And if you search for the instruction, it's also this page takes forever to load, but if you search the no thank you. You search for the instruction, it sometimes gets it.
What are
Yeah, so this is move SD. Yeah, and this also has a description and a little like operation thing, and it also has some throughput info. But this is like not really relevant given the fact that well, it is relevant, but CPU to CPU like clock speed variances also mean that like the latency and the throughput like it's just one thing. It's a single variable and an iceberg of variables.
But wait, it's using the M128 double. Okay, so it is using.
Oh yeah,
CPU
this is
as well,
using
though.
the because this is this is an SSE instruction. They're like color coded. I think it also tells you that it's SSE2. It's an SSE2 instruction.
Okay.
But there's the M256 version,
Mhm.
which is an AVX instruction, AVX1, which there's not many. Most of them are AVX2 already. And then there's the funky one, the AVX512 one that most Intel CPUs do not come with because thank you Intel. Mine also does not come with AVX512. Just please don't use AVX512 unless you know you're targeting AVX512 CPUs or your Dolphin emulator or RPCS3. Not Dolphin. RPCS3. RPCS3 is just too good. They're like the only people allowed to use AVX512. But yeah,
Okay, good.
like looking at this one does less memory reads. Well, less. It has to do the exact same amount of memory reads, but it's doing them a Q word at a time instead of doing it a single D word at a time. Also, like multiple times inside the same loop. If you benched these, I bet you could get some different results. How different? I don't know.
Should I try to bench these just
I think
for
then you
fun?
would just do some benchmark based on your specific computer setup. It might
It's-
not be
it-
the
yeah,
same for somebody
yeah.
else.
Yeah,
It depends.
exactly.
If you bench it on like 4 computers, it should like be reasonable. Like 4
Yeah.
different CPU architectures. Well, 4 different x86 chips. Hopefully not from the same family. So yeah, so the outtake is holy crap, x86 is complicated. And compilers are basically sentient.
Mhm.
Okay, because I will try to benchmark this without giving wrong results.
Yeah, but honestly, this is like such a tiny micro optimization.
Yeah.
Unless you're spending like most of the time in a loop running this code, then you'll be fine.
You know, the funny thing is, like, it was just not really. I didn't really care about the optimization part of this because at some points in my code, I really like. I load images multiple times where I already have a texture pointer to it, and it's like so like to optimize this, it doesn't make any sense. But yeah.
I swear to God, it's something like this, but I can't just. I just suck so fucking much. Jesus Christ! It's something like this. Fuck! What happened? I broke the thing. Amazing. One day I will understand what I'm doing.
One day.
One day.
I don't think so.
That's so perfect. I think it's great.
Incredible.
Incredible. Yes. Is it just too? I don't know, bro. I'm like. There's also such a wrong sound, but I don't know. Was it Control L? Yeah.
I think they're playing different notes.
Are you sure? I think they're pretty on point.
Are you sure? Well, I'm not sure. I am never sure.
I don't know,
But
bro.
I
don't know.
have what's called a hunch.
Oh, damn. Can you give it to me? I need that hunch.
X won't give it to you.
But like, I don't know. I cannot. Okay, that's definitely wrong. But that's perfect. Is it going like down then? That doesn't look right. Oh my god. No. I cannot for the life of me get this right. I will just go back to coding. I was better at that.
Nah.
I guess we'll put some time into trying to understand these things, but I don't think I'm getting like anywhere. Like I feel like I can't even match these things right. Sounds so kind of funky.
Hmm.
I can't understand. How do people understand these things?
I think they don't.
I think they're lying.
Yeah, something like that.
I just don't have the right sound, but I think the pattern is somewhat okay.
Yeah, the tempo is fine, I think.
I said the pattern, but okay,
Nah.
tempo, sure, okay, I guess. Guy is just trying to cheer me.
Yeah, no. Like the pattern is correct. It's just like
So you hear like frequencies, you said? Or like, you think in terms of frequency? Or?
like relationships between notes, not really frequencies, because you can't really hear frequencies that well. You can approximate, but it's like a very loose approximation. It's like
I'll play the 440
you show me like
hertz.
an image of like 100 and like you show me an image of like 120 bunnies, and I like, okay, no, this looks like more than 10 bunnies, but less than 500.
I played
It's a very loose approximation.
Bro, I played the frequency on 440. It was like, this sounds like 500. I was like, how the fuck?
Well, it's because human brains are logarithmic. Like 500 is like twice as much as 250. It's twice as much as 125. You can't really tell
for me.
which exact frequency it is, but you can tell more or less which octave it is in, more or
Yeah,
less.
okay. Okay, I need to listen one more. Just the thing without this thing. Yeah, no. I think it's alright. It's just maybe ah. I want to do more like this, but then that will be odd. Yeah. But it won't be odd if I were to... This will be odd, but I want to try it. Yeah, it's too much, but if I... Or could I? But then the change won't be too good. It has to be greater. But then I feel this is too strong. What if I... try to find that place, and then from here I try to maneuver everything to be... But... Ah. It's still a bit. Something's still wrong. I think I know. Maybe it's supposed to go like a bit more extreme like this. I don't know my shortcuts. Yeah. These two are like the same tone. I think that pattern is quite alright now, but I still need to. Okay. Maybe. I mean. Okay. I think maybe I do have a chance. Maybe. Just need to get the sound right now. It needs to be like more of a oh, you know what I'm saying? How do I get that? Like, what is it? I don't know if it has a name, but it's like I have too much of a aqua sound. I don't know. It needs to be more piano-like. You know? You hear this?
Mm.
This one is like more piano, and this one is more like this should be like more. I don't know, more piano. I feel, and this one is like it feels like it's under the water. You know? Am I making sense?
I think I know, Morris, what you mean, but not exactly. I don't know. I'm confused as to what you mean.
I'm just gonna tweak things around and see somehow figure something out that makes sense, right? Right? I didn't do anything. What is this? What can it? Hmm. Sign 2. Let's see if I just take the classic. No, I moved something I wasn't supposed to move, and now I can't undo it. Damn it. That's okay.
Yo, guys.
Hmm?
Bro, my PC just crashed
Yeah.
when I ran the benchmark.
Hello, Emmanuel.
Great.
Emmanuel Elocon. I don't.
Bro, I made it so that you could enter the number of iterations, but I think I passed a little bit too much.
That's not good.
Really?
Yeah, my PC crashed. Man. Guys, if my benchmark isn't based, so if it doesn't really get like misinterpreted from like cache things or things, The pointer one is faster.
Damn.
By how much? Like a nano trillquillion of a second.
Like when running 100 million iterations, it's 0.02 seconds faster.
Wow, that's so
Which,
much.
like, percent-wise, how much is that?
Wait, I can calculate it.
Did you do a warm-up round?
No, no.
No.
Or like, but the thing is, I start with 1, so maybe the cache is still. So I start with the reference 1, and I never done a benchmark before, so that's just how I would do it. Like, it's probably so much cache or like RAM and cache misses like influenced that. Yeah.
Probably. There's a decent chance.
Maybe I can vibe code it to be better at it first. We'll see.
It's the only thing that's high pitch. I don't have the pitch. Oh, this is the pitch. But that's the wrong kind of pitch.
You might have to go grab the pitchfork.
It's so funny, man.
Yeah. I know.
Still,
Wait, Naldi, should I send you the code that I have currently for the check?
yeah.
I guess you could. Could check it out.
Okay.
You know what? I might actually just check whether it's any faster or slower on my machine.
Yeah, but don't enter too high number. what you gotta know is that you see I multiply by 10,000, so the number you enter
I see.
is, yeah, like 1,000 millions were enough to crash my PC, so
Oh, and I guess you just time it. Wait,
oh yeah,
time,
I
time is
could
not
do
a
that.
command.
No,
I
no,
keep
no.
forgetting. It's like a bash thing.
Oh, I'm timing it in the thing. You know, time would be good, yeah, but I'm timing it in the thing. So basically, you just compile
Why
it
does
with
it not
time.
print?
Wait, did you compile
Oh,
it?
because it takes it as an argument. That's why. Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it does already do both.
Yeah.
Yeah. So on. Wow, that is really random.
Yeah, like for me it was more, way more consistent.
Could be a CPU governor thing.
Okay, right now we will ask AI to improve it. Because I really don't have experience for benchmarking such a thing.
Oh wait, does it like actually? What do you return? No, you do return 0. What? 255? Why?
Yeah, anyways, it's getting kind of late, so I'll be going to bed now.
Alright, good night.
Yes, good night.
Okay. Good night.
I just cannot get the same tone. Or sound.
Okay, wait, Naldur. I have the AI version for you. Oh, that's so many lines. I have it through file.
Basically the same.
But right, do the AI thing I sent you.
Large by rough.
I just need one that is in the beginning quite strong, but after that it just... But then it has to be a lot weaker.
Okay,
Yeah,
this
you
looks.
just gotta compile
This
it
looks
with-
not horrible. This looks compilable. I wanted to look it over
and
because I don't
then
trust the
run
fucking
it
clankers
with,
for shit.
like, yeah, run it with 100 as a command line argument. This look like.
1.00 times faster. Yeah, no, I think they're like basically literally the same.
I guess this is
Okay,
the
damn.
best
Okay, but
can give.
I didn't compile. I didn't compile with O2 flag. I realized. And this is actually because for me it was a crazy difference with like 1.4 without O2 flag.
Yeah, no, without optimization, it will be different. These are basically the same. They do the same amount of memory accesses, therefore they're basically the same.
Yeah.
If I do O0, I bet the difference will be huge. O0. Let's just do 10. Yeah, O0 just gives you every single type of result. Yep. On
But this
O0, the
is-
small struct test is faster with the pass by pointer, and then the large struct is faster with pass by value, which is funny.
This is interesting for me. It's the exact difference. Like not even like pointers always faster.
Yeah, no. If you compile with shitty optimization, it's gonna give you shitty results. But see, I just ran it twice, and the large struct test gave me 2 different results.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
For a large, but like not very large struct test, it's just weird.
Nah, bro, this is too good.
And with Hyperfine, it is yeah, no, also basically the same. You don't care.
Wait. I asked AI to refine it, and this is. Okay, I gotta send it to you. It's another message, but yeah.
Damn, I'm
Nah.
downloading yet more stuff.
Get more stuff? Damn.
This isn't a good benchmark anymore. Like, this is more AI slop now, but yeah.
I should read through this before I build this. Don't trust this. Yeah, no, this looks like basically the same.
Yeah.
What did
It's
everyone?
literally the same file. You sent me the same file twice.
What?
You sent me the same file twice.
Didn't I? Wait. Okay, this one should be different. Oh yeah, okay, this one is. I didn't copy
Yeah,
it
this one's
correctly,
twice as large.
Yeah.
This one is different.
See?
Trust me, bro.
This is not like the
Yeah,
other
that's
files,
different.
you know?
Also, that one has emoji. That means it's probably worse.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh my god, why is this? Just use a testing framework at that point. There's like this.
Yeah.
I don't remember what I used, but I used some C++ thing. Wasn't too bad, honestly. It's not cached here. I don't remember what it was.
Damn, it sounds so banger.
Gaming.
Gaming.
Hey, wait, Vanit, you gotta look at the you got a link with the map library. Yeah. Also with 100.
Oh my
Look
god.
at the animations. And the emojis, like, bro.
You know what's fucking worse, like concerning? Because
Yeah.
it's different test. Actually, no, I think it just needs more iterations. Oh my god, that's gonna take forever. But yeah, no, this is more like actually gonna be mostly the same. It actually does standard deviation. It's like, how much is that? No, it's... Yeah, no, now the pass by pointer is always slower. It wasn't before. Wait, so what is this bar graph supposed to represent?
Bro, I don't know, man. I don't
Also,
know.
it's misaligned.
Yeah.
Oh my god, just use Hyperfine. Hyperfine is just better.
What is Cyberfine like for?
Yeah, I love how there's just this key inside logger. Thank you.
Do they use sidechain?
Key
for
inside my
the
ass.
mana?
Everything is sidechain from the kick.
Should I try?
Yeah, you can try. Didn't hurt.
It's already ruined, so it can't get much worse, can it? I'm just gonna assign it number 8, and this one will be number 7, just because I don't know, bro. This is yeah. Vital. So wait, is it? So is it
Now you
done?
probably want to route all your channels to like a separate sidechain channel. Like pick like, I don't know, maybe channel number 8 will be your sidechain bus or something like that.
Wait, isn't kick that will be the side? No, wait, this no. Which one is the
Well,
controller?
kick will be the thing that's sidechaining,
Yeah, so that one will
and
have
then
the
everything
controller.
else that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
What, the controller? Why would you
Uh,
need a controller for that?
Isn't that what it's called? Or I don't
Well,
know.
I guess you can sidechain using Fruity controller, but that's like really overcomplicated. I think the simplest approach is with just a Fruity limiter, honestly.
I don't know. I just through LMMS we did a sidechain and a controller. That's how I remember. I don't know. Is it different here?
Depends. There's 5,000 different ways to sidechain. I don't know. You could find one. The one I used to use was just using a Fruity limiter for the sidechain as a sidechain
Through the limiter.
compressor, I guess. Yeah, it's literally that one.
Okay.
But you have to instead of putting one on every single thing you want to sidechain, you can route the channels that you want to sidechain together into a single like sidechain channel.
So
So like your bass, your melody, everything except the drums goes into a single sidechain channel.
so then all of them would be like channel 7 or 8 or whatever you wanna call it.
Well, no.
And I
See
did
how your okay? Can you like play your current thing?
Wait, let me just how the fuck? Okay, I'll put
You
it
can
on
disable this. You can disable
No, I
this
wanted to.
thing with like
Okay.
the little dot on the right.
So do you mean the actual
Okay.
track or my track?
Your version.
Oh.
Also, did you know you could right click on the little dot on the left of the thing?
Right click on a little dot to the left of the thing. What?
Go to your first track,
Huh?
the sample. Right click on that dot.
Oh.
See what that does?
Oh. Now that's crazy. That's crazy. That's a good feature.
That's a feature.
Okay, yeah, but okay. So now I wanna sign.
So yeah, so you see how your kick is going to channel 7?
Kick is going to 1. Snare 7.
But that's a different kick,
Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
I think. Okay, no, okay, sorry, yeah, snare 7 and kick is, yeah, okay, so you're using that kick, okay. I just got confused, my bad.
Okay.
So yeah, so where's your synths going? 5, 6, and 8. Okay. So go to your mixer. See how there's at the bottom there's this little like green dial that has a little thing going to it.
Yeah.
Dial on the left.
This thing.
Yeah, so that means that channel 7 is linked straight to the master, but that's the snare. You should rename channel 7 to like snare. You can do it with like F2 or I think it's F2. So you like know more or less what it is. Yeah, you can name them. You can even set the color and like rename them.
I can put
And then
colors on
5,
them?
6, and 8.
Wait.
Yeah, if you rename them, if you do F2.
Random color. Boom, now it's that color.
Oh, you can even do a random one. I didn't know you couldn't do that.
Yeah.
The
I
more you
know
know.
more than you.
Yeah, so
Well,
go to channel 5.
Yeah. News.
And now
Channel 5
unlink it
news.
from the master. So click on the arrow next to the master at the bottom of the master thing. Click on that arrow.
Oh,
Yeah,
Okay.
and now it's unlinked. And now link it to channel, let's say number 9.
number 9. Oh wow, look at that.
And do the same with 6 and 8.
6 and 8. Yo.
No,
look at-
don't link this one to 6 and 8. Like link 6 and 8 to 9.
Oh.
Like disconnect these. Just click on or do that. Just go to number 6 and then link it to 9 and unlink it from master.
Okay.
Not the snare, but yeah, you got that. You skipped the snare.
Yeah.
So now, if you right click the green dots on like right above the slider, you have a little knob, and right above the knob you have a little dot. Right click that one,
Mm-hmm.
and play the track. Oh crap! It didn't actually do the thing I expected it to do. Yeah, but enable channel. Yeah, enable channel 5, 6, and 8.
6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, and 8.
5, 6, 8. Yeah. Well, but without 7, because 7 is the snare, but whatever. Yeah, now if you play it, see how they're all going to that channel 9? Like, if you change the volume on channel 9, you'll change the volume of all of those synths. See?
Okay, I see.
So now you can reset the volume. So that means your stuff is routed correctly.
Yeah.
Now, if you right-click twice on channel 8, on the dot, that should, like, just re-solo everything. Like, it should re-enable all of them. Just right-click twice.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. So now if you go to the channel that has your kick, which is channel number 1,
Okay.
and now the same way that you would route it to channel 9, click on that like little triangle, but right click on it. Not on this one, on channel 9. Like with channel 1 selected, on the one from channel 9.
Channel 9.
Right click on that. Yeah. And see how there's a sidechain to this track?
Yeah.
Yep, there you go. So just click on that.
Okay.
Now go to channel 9
Okay.
and add a fruity limiter.
Fruity limit.
Yeah, you can do that.
The limitator.
Limiter.
Limiter.
Okay, guys, I will go to sleep now.
All right.
See ya.
Sleep
Say
well.
good
And
night.
good luck. Yeah.
Thanks.
Good
Yeah.
night.
And sleep well. See how there's a section called sidechain under envelope? Like a little selector thing? Sidechain?
Just
Envelope
that.
and then sidechain. A little thing. Right below, down,
There,
down,
yeah.
down. Yeah. So just right click on that. Yeah, and it should tell you what you can sidechain from. Just sidechain from insert 1. Yep,
Okay.
and now set the threshold knob a bit lower, the one that says THRES. THRES.
Whoa.
Yeah, and then the ratio knob a bit higher. You will see what they do once you actually play it. Yeah, there you go. Now play. I think you need to set the threshold lower. Yeah, see how there's like little peaks appearing for every single king?
Yeah.
I think you still need to set the threshold lower. Just like bring it down. There you go. Now it's sidechaining. That's a bit extreme.
We like to be extreme.
Yeah, but you can also mess with the release knob.
Wait, where's the
Rel.
release? There.
Rel. Second, yeah, that. Make that a bit lower.
Let me just do this sec. Don't have to.
Yeah, so I think the threshold needs to be a bit higher. And I can try and make the release something between the higher value that you had before and the lower one you have now. I think that's reasonably close.
Yeah. It's actually the melody there. It sounds like it's. Well, it is. But it's weird. Still. It's okay.
I think they paste their notes a bit different. I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
something like that.
Eh. I will figure it out somehow one day.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. You'll figure it out.
Yeah, it should be too hard. It's like not. eh. And I think they also have like, if you listen to the actual like. Or is it a different melody? No, it is the same. Hmm. It's Avisuko. Welcome. Hello, hello. I don't know. I don't know. Wait.
You don't know?
People do take damage in the StreamFIghter, I hope. I don't know, it looks kind of weird. People seem to be.
No, they just bugged and they're never taking
Yeah,
damage.
that looks
They're
like
just
it's
invincible.
the case.
Really?
Yeah. Nobody's taking damage. No. Anyways, I don't know. Maybe I should just go back to coding. Nah, I will have to learn somehow, but I think I'm gonna hit that bed, sleep well, and I don't know, tomorrow might do some coding again. But I will try to do some music every day because I think that's kind of like gets you there to be able to create something. But I don't know. I will think about it. I will sleep on it. Yeah. I think will end it here. I don't have too many viewers. No.
No.
So it's good night from me. I'm gonna get to school tomorrow once again. Get smart, hopefully. I started making my own music a week ago. Oh, nice! I also started like a week ago with just trying to understand, but I'm still sucking at it. I'm thinking that I'm trying to replicate the music that I would like to replicate and or create similar kind of vibe. But yeah. You have 4 songs? Damn. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hit the bed. Sleep and try to. If you'd like to listen one of them, I'd love to. Well, I'm as new as you are. I don't know much, but I can listen to them next stream if you join. I'm gonna have to sleep now because otherwise I will not sleep. Yeah. Good night, everybody. We'll try again tomorrow. Yeah. We'll put it there. Bye bye.
Good night.